Hi, my name's William Jones. I'm a qualified arborist and Director of Tree and Garden Services based on the Central Coast of New South Wales. Today we're at Avoca Beach to remove a dead tree. We've been called in from some concerned residents due to a large dead tree in their front yard that has been dropping some large limbs. We'll be using a 20-tonne mobile crane to dismantle the tree due to the confined space that the tree is situated in and to maintain safety of the overhead power lines below the tree. This is to ensure that the tree will be removed with minimum disruption to the surrounding environment. The tree will be removed by a qualified climbing arborist. When removing trees with cranes, you should be a qualified tree climber. This requires a Certificate 3 in arboriculture. And as far as rigging with the crane, a dogman and rigging ticket is also required. The way the tree is removed is an arborist climbs into the tree and ties himself in. And we're then using the mobile crane and attaching the branches to the crane with long chains. The climber then descends and cuts that branch off. So each individual branch is cut off and lowered down with the crane piece by piece. The branches are then put into our wood chipper and processed into leaf mulch. The leaf mulch can then be reused as mulch in your garden. The trunk of this particular tree is defective, it's got a lot of rot through the bottom of it. So the logs from this tree will be processed and used for firewood. If we have sound timber in our trees, they'll be sent to a local sawmill and turned into wood products. We've just safely removed this dangerous tree. If you have any questions regarding the safety of your trees around your property in the Gosford or Wyong Shires, or any questions regarding tree felling, tree removal or tree cutting, please give me a call at Tree and Garden Services.